Hello! In this video we will look at the 12-bar jazz blues. We'll start with a regular 12-bar blues, and from there we will take 4 steps towards a more complex 12-bar jazz blues. Before we begin, a note about the names of the chords that I will present to you. In jazz, and to some extent in all music, you normally do not write down the complete chord names. Just the basic name is sufficient. You, as the musician, have the freedom to alter the basic chord. For example, a C chord can be a basic C, or a C6, or a major 7th, or a similar variation, as long as it's a C major chord. An A minor can be a basic A minor, or an A minor 7, or A minor 9, or maybe 6 and 9. Whatever, as long as it's an A minor, you can add anything you like. An E7, for example, can be a E9 or E13, or a E flat 9 or flat 13, anything. Don't worry if you don't get it, or if you don't know the chords. Learn by doing. Just try to get used to the idea that when you put a bit of jazz in music, the original chords can be altered by more complex ones. Often these alterations of chords are the reason why jazz sounds so jazzy. In the following exercises I will name all chords with their full name, so don't let that scare you. It's just a name. Let's start with the first basic 12-bar blues. In this first step, most A7 chords are replaced by A13, and one D7 is placed by a D13. A 13 chord is the same as a 7 chord plus a 6. So you play a 7 and a 6 and we call it 13. Step 2. In bar 4, the A7 chord is postponed by using an E minor 7. In bar 6, a diminished chord is added. This gives more movement in the music. bar 11 and 12 are changed to be a so-called turn around. A turnaround marks the end of the chord scheme. It also makes clear that we'll go back to the start. Step 3. Bar 7 to 10, these bars are replaced by a so-called 1-6-2-5 sequence. Well, if you take a close look, you can see that these chords are the same as the turnaround mentioned before. It's a common chord sequence in jazz. Step 4. Bar 4 I replaced with some more exotic chords. These chords have a strong urge to resolve to the D9 in bar 5. Also, I removed the bass tone in the chords, which makes them lighter. The other changes just make the sound more jazzy. As stated before, you have the bass chords, and you as a musician have the freedom to alter the chords to make them sound more jazzy. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed playing these jazzy chords, and I really hope to see you next time. Bye.